money like me, she know I like her. I know you probably.
Alright. It's like 10 something. 10:37. And this is the video that I've been not procrastinating, but like every time I go, I forget to like grab my camera and stuff.
Walking and straight to the lobby. He tryna get her high off them pills. He just like Cosby. Big button on my nine. It ain't.
So boom, we have to jump or whatever. Oh, right. Gonna work out, get a good workout in, and yeah.
What you want? We got plenty, ho. I could bring you more at my dough. It's a 50 though, don't make me bring his bro. My first backpack was Yu-Gi-Oh! I kept it with me though. My 38 was at the bottom and I bought it from Lake No. It was the first gun I had. I was 13 years old. I only had 5 bullets, but to me that's 5 hoes. When I threw the ball away and said that I ain't going pro, you asking why I had a gun? 'Cause I couldn't call my big bro. Only shot it one time, I would've still let it blow. I ain't even tell my friends, I had kept it on the low. I was walking through the hood with my dickies in a pole, and it's around the time when I started blowing dope. You can judge it how you want it, from the hood, that's how I go. It got chilly in the house, mama said cut on the stove. Used to skip gym and go smoke right outside the dome. And I had my first girl, I thought Deja was my soul. I was this at a young age, don't care what the grown say. Don't do what my gun say, I aim it your way. I ain't even cover my face, shut in your driveway. Hell yeah, call me Kanye, I got my KK, redecorate your whole portrait.
Now, finna go to Krogan and hoop. Supposed to be me and Thomas up there in Denver. I don't know who else is coming, but you feel me? Yeah. What's that floating in your cup? My business. This is not a fight drill, nigga. Motherfucking grandma. This is not a fire drill, nigga.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. What about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first. I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
I think it is.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Bless up. Bless up.
Can I get an extra large root beer milkshake?
Root beer milkshake? Sure.
And then that'll be all for me.
Alright. And yours is $8.50.
Pulled up to Denver's house, aka my barber. Finna chill over here for a little minute. See what the fuck he doing. Yeah. Yeah, chilling. Damn. It's kind of hot today, no fucking cap. Tell this nigga I'm outside. Ooh, you feel me? God damn. Bro, I gotta use the bathroom. Jesus Christmas. Oh, make sure I got my keys. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I ain't lie, bro. It's so weird. Like, let me show y'all. So you got Denver's apartment, right? You got a fucking, hold on. Alright. So look, you got Denver's apartment, right? And right next to this nigga's apartment, bro, is, let me show y'all. There's a fucking cemetery. What the fuck? What the fuck? What? No! Like, bro. What the fuck? That's crazy. I got a question for you, bro. Me and my franchisers want to know. Me and my franchisers, aka all my viewers, we want to know. How is it to live next to a fucking cemetery? Tell us.
Shit. I ain't gonna lie, that shit do be scary sometimes.
Bro, I just, like, I always, oh yeah, I left a pair of jogging pants here.
Oh yeah, nah, they, I think I either washed them or they're...
It don't matter. I ain't tripping for real. But what you was into?
Not sure, just playing the game.
Type deal.
Had dinner for the day, went to that.
How'd that shit go?
Oh, that was cool. I got the job.
Oh yeah, that's what's up.
Ended Monday.
I gotta use the bathroom. But
I'm debating if I want to go get a bottle or not. So low key though.
just because?
Nah, I mean not just because, but like I want to drink. I want to drink.
Type deal.
Not even on no like I need to drink or oh my god I'm going through it.
Nah, I just want to.
I just want to drink right now. You feel me? That's it.
It'd be like that.
Take a couple shots, feel good real quick.
Hell yeah.
Chill, keep chilling, lay back.
I ain't did shit today for real. Been vlogging. Well, I went to work out. Vlogged that. I recorded that. Went to go hoop with Ty and them. Recorded that.
I was gonna say I would have came in the hoop, but I had asked him. He was like at like 2 o'clock. He was like we still here, but I had just got home. I'm like I know they was not gonna be here much longer. Then you text me that like 20 minutes later. I'm like
Yeah.
good thing I did go out there.
By the time I got there, bro, I literally hopped in 8:33 game. Once that was over, we left. We was gonna come back, but everybody was like, everybody wanted to come back, but at the same time, everybody was like, I don't care to, for real. You feel me?
But not today.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas love hooping, so I see why.
So yeah, then went to go get some, went to handle some business, for real. Yeah, now I'm here. We left Denver's house. I was over there for a little minute and shit. We was talking, chatting it up. Me, him, and Ty. If y'all don't remember Ty, I done did a video with Ty. Damn, my battery finna die. Hold on, let me switch real quick. Damn. Hold on. Damn. Like I was saying. Feel me? Left Denver's house or whatever. Boom. Back with big money supposed to be coming to the car. I don't know what the fuck she's doing. If y'all ain't hip, go get hip. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all's big money. Say hi to the people. Fuck y'all. Wait, don't say that about them.
Oh my god, they got little bags of clothes.
Yeah. Tell us.
Wait, what you say one more time?
How you feel about fan and Athens?
Come on, man. You being a fan right now? I ain't
Go
feeling
that
it.
way.
I ain't trying to go that way. I'm trying to go this way.
You
I'm
need to go that
telling
way.
you. You go that way. I'm looking at you.
Go get
You
your
go that
fucking
way.
water.
You go get it from me.
Get off of me. Oh, got me hip. These zero sugar? Fuck no. I want to be healthy. Oh wait, I didn't even see that. But that one got me. Damn. Be respectful to y'all corner stores. If you, yeah. What you say?
No, I can't.
Which water you want? I bet.
I do. I really do.
Together?
Yeah, they're together.
You buy the chips? Or separate?
Yeah, you
It's
can put the
separate.
checks on there.
You can put it on there, I guess. I ain't gonna tell you now.
Yeah, who the boss now? Huh? Is the boss now?
No, it's still me.
He's the boss, huh?
No, wait. That's not how it works.
That's how it works.
That is not how it works. Oh, hold on. I got some fire here. You finna go put that shit down on somebody's grandma.
Oh God.
I was saying, that's the video. Good night to you, franchisers. Love y'all. She just said fuck y'all. Listen, this never fuck y'all. Fuck her. Okay? Fuck her. Good night.